In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Wix DNS settings. This process might seem a bit technical at first, but don't worry. I'll walk you through each step to ensure you've got everything you need to succeed. Let's dive right in. To start, you'll need to open your web browser and head over to Wix. You can simply type Wix into your search engine and hit enter. When the search results come up, click on the first link that appears. This will take you to the Wix homepage, where you can access all of Wix's features and tools. Once you're here, it's time to move on to the next step. Log into your Wix account using your credentials if you haven't already. After successfully logging in, navigate to your site dashboard. Within this dashboard, you'll see an overview of all the sites you've created with Wix. Here, you need to find the specific site whose Wix DNS settings you want to access. Click on that site to open its management panel. Once your site is open, look towards the domain section. You'll find an option to view or manage your domain settings. Click on it to open a new set of options related to your domain. What you'll want to do now is copy the full domain name. This is important because you'll need to enter it on a different platform to get your DNS information. So just select the domain name, right-click, and choose Copy. After copying your domain, it's time to visit whatsmydns.net. Simply go to your web browser search bar and type in whatsmydns.net. Then press enter. This website is a powerful tool that allows you to check the DNS settings for your domain across the globe. Once you arrive at the homepage, you'll notice a search bar where you can paste your domain name. Go ahead and paste your copied domain name into the search bar on whatsmydns.net. Ensure there are no extra spaces or characters. Everything should look neat and precise. With your domain in place, you're almost at the finish line. Then, click the search button adjacent to the search bar. This action prompts the website to scan multiple DNS servers worldwide and display the current DNS settings for your domain. The results will typically show you various DNS record types associated with your domain. In this view, you will easily find the DNS information you need. This data will include nameservers and possibly other records essential for managing your domain effectively. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully pulled up the DNS information for your Wix domain. Whether you're troubleshooting, verifying settings, or just learning how it all works, you've now got the tools to find your Wix DNS whenever you need. Thanks for watching, and feel free to reach out if you have any more tech-savvy queries.